Welcome back to our channel, Tegniese Leiding. In today's video, we'll be diving into one of the powerful features introduced in Java 8, the Stream API. So, what exactly is the Stream API and why was it introduced in Java 8? Let's find out. The Stream API in Java 8 provides a streamlined and functional way to process collections of data. It allows us to perform various operations on the data in a concise and efficient manner. But why was it introduced in the first place? Well, let's look at some of the reasons. Reason number 1, improved readability and conciseness. The Stream API enables developers to write code in a more declarative style, focusing on what needs to be done rather than how it should be done. This leads to cleaner and more readable code. Take a look at this code snippet. On the upper side, we have traditional looping and filtering code, and on the lower side, we have the equivalent code using the Stream API. As you can see, the Stream API code is more concise and easier to understand. Reason number 2, enhanced performance and parallel processing. The Stream API allows for efficient parallel processing of data. It automatically takes advantage of multi-core processes, splitting the workload and speeding up the execution of operations. Imagine having a large dataset that needs to be processed. With the Stream API, you can easily parallelize the operations, distributing the workload across multiple threads. This can significantly improve the performance of your applications. Reason number 3, functional programming paradigm. Java 8 introduced functional programming concepts, and the Stream API aligns perfectly with this paradigm. It allows us to use lambda expressions and functional interfaces to write expressive and concise code. With the Stream API, we can perform various operations such as filtering, mapping, sorting, and reducing data with just a few lines of code. It promotes immutability and encourages writing code that is more modular and easier to test. Reason number 4, method chaining and lazy evaluation. The Stream API supports method chaining, where multiple operations can be combined in a fluent and readable manner. It also incorporates lazy evaluation, meaning the data is processed only when needed, optimizing performance. By chaining operations together, we can create a pipeline of transformations and computations that are applied only when a terminal operation is invoked. This allows for efficient use of resources and faster execution. Now that we've seen why the Stream API was introduced in Java 8, let's quickly go over some common operations that can be performed using the Stream API. With the Stream API, we can filter elements based on specific conditions, transform data using mapping operations, aggregate data using reduction operations, and sort data based on specific criteria. We've explored what the Stream API is, why it was introduced, and its benefits in terms of readability, performance, functional programming, method chaining, and lazy evaluation. In upcoming videos, we'll dive deeper into each of these concepts and explore practical examples. So, stay tuned to Tegniese Leiding for more Java programming tutorials and insights. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Also, feel free to leave any questions or suggestions in the comments below. Until next time, happy coding.